Alright guys, here we are. We're going to get a little preview of the 2024 Twin Cities Auto Show. Ready? We go. So I got some bunch of trucks here. We got all kinds of stuff over there. Yeah. They got everything in this place. These are nice. They have one of those bad boys. Love these colors they have on these things. Nice blue. Heck yeah. Alright, we're going to go in the custom garage. A lot of cool stuff in here. This one's nice, but this truck over my left over here is my favorite. This one I'd steal right here. Love this look. Old retro. Really, really nice. Real nice. Cheyenne, very, very nice. Not so much. That's not a winter car here in Minnesota. These are all cute till you can't get out of your driveway. They have Walzer and got a big one here in town. And they've officially bastardized the Bronco, in my mind. This obviously is a wild color. So if you're wussy wild, you can drive this bad boy around. Personally, I'm a Blackhawk fan, but these guys are really good, unique. This is a 1960 Corvette. Going for a cool 80,000. Very, very nice. Gotta love it. Check them out. They do good work. Good friend of mine. I want to give them a 65 Chevy Impala SS someday. No, man. 1956, 100,000. Well worth it. I don't know what this is all about. Why they don't have that on there. But it's an old Chevy truck. You don't see these too often. It's a nice old school Chev. Very nice, huh? This one, Nova. In Spanish, that meant no go. 68, they want 58 grand for it. Very, very nice. Love it. Look at that engine in there. Oh my word. It's the only, for only 40 grand. It's a nice vehicle. It's fun. I like this vehicle. It's very, very nice. And the steal of the show, right here. Big dog. 59. 70 grand, I'd buy it. Hell yeah. And they have all this. They have all kinds of signs here. This place does a whole bunch. Now we'll get on the main floor here. You see a lot of all kinds of fun stuff in here. Kind of the Hyundai area here. These are all okay until the snow comes. Some of the cars aren't open. I don't know why they're not. So that's kind of nice. Love that color. Very nice. Over there, Honda. I have a CRV. I like them. Nice vehicle. It's a nice truck. I just do a cab and a half. I'd make this a little small, like a Ranger. That's right. People miss the old Rangers. 4-wheel drive Ranger. Smaller. Wagoneer action. See how these motors are all just shoved in there. The battery, actually, my Sebring had it bound by the tire. It's an okay one. I mean, we'll see how it handles in snow. It's okay. I get it. A lot of guys looking at the trucks. Got the grocery getter. If I was a key, I'd call one the grocery getter. It's a nice vehicle. Ram. Hell yeah. I'm more of a cab and a half. Now we're getting some really cool vehicles coming up here. What do you guys think, huh? Oh my goodness. So this is probably a movie vehicle. They drive along the movies. That's kind of nice. Look at that bad boy. Look at that sucker. Heck yeah. 1941 Western Flyer. Very nice. So you kind of look inside here. Good old RV action, right? Old school. And you know what this is? Remember Stripes? That guy I worked with one time had a van painted like that, but bigger. Scooby-Dooby-Doo, baby. Hell yeah. Photo op. Starsky and Hutch. Very nice. David Soul, he just passed away. Hell yeah. Something more substantial, right? A more updated version of the Batmobile. And the older version. Very nice. Batman. Heck yeah. The DeLorean Daily Woo loves this movie. A couple of YouTubers. But 19. It's called Cars Against Crime display. Very nice. That big boy. Oh my goodness. That's the ultimate hauler right there. This is my weekend getaway vehicle. Yep, Chanhassen Autoplex. It's a really cool place. All my Prince's old place. Yeah, this is my weekend getaway car right here. Sure, no problem. Very, very nice. Gotta love it, man. Of course, the men and women blue, baby. Hell yeah. You got your Winnebagos. These suckers are huge. All-wheel drives, but they make it into my living room more than living quarters. Couple vehicles here, Kia. It's kind of ugly right there, I think. I don't know, kind of a weird shape, but I don't know, not bad. Kia needs to get themselves like a Ranger or something and call it the Kia Condor or something like that. That's what they need to do. The GMCs over here, man. The big dogs. Professional grade. Hell yeah. Yeah. Trucker action. Of course, if you want to get your own business, a 2022 Silverado, huh? What do they want for this pig? 75 grand. Put you back a few. Put a plow on the bad boy and work for yourself. A lot of these vehicles over here are your ones that don't do very well in the snow. The best B&W, I get it. Real Man of Colorado, that's nice. And any dealers, you guys, any guys manufacturers should all be all-wheel drive. All your Sprinter vans, all-wheel drive. These are all cute till you can't get out of your driveway. The big dogs. F350, just give me a cab and a half. Nice gas engine, I don't want a diesel. Good transmission. I'd buy it. And my father found on road dead. My father loved Fords. The big dog. Tremor of 350. Goes from the big one to one that you'll never get out of your driveway. And then we had the storm the other day. Yep. Gotta like that one. Hell yeah, big dog. Oh yeah. Sure. I'll buy it right now. Maybe when I become a rapper or something, I can buy one of these. Not. That's a house paint right there, baby boys. Heck yeah. Corvette. Very nice. Very nice. Gotta love it. Little love the Range Rovers. I think they're ugly. A lot of these aren't open either, which is stupid. Your hood should be up. They want to look inside of. This is actually a nice job right here. I like that one. It's nice. That's nice. I also saw my first convertible today. Newer convertible. The mileage on there is a joke. That's a joke. Set you back 100, 2,000. No, thank you. Kind of ugly on that back end. Again, 1720, not a chance. No, thank you. 85,000. Not too bad. And then this one, they pimp you. They make you sign up to sit inside. They probably take you gotta sign up for like a email or something. That's BS. Prostitute you just to sit in the damn thing. Nissan. Love the color. Car will never go anywhere. It's not too bad a vehicle. It's a drivable one. Hell yeah. That one's a camper action one. You can go camping. And battery. You know why the tire people love batteries ones? Because they're heavier and they go through a lot of tires. So we're over here kind of in the future, the Biden area, you want to call it. Oh yeah, a little accident there. Safety compact. Look at that bad boy. Yeah, like that thing's gonna go anywhere in the wintertime. I don't think so. Another small vehicle. Not a chance. I'm gonna buy that in the wintertime. No way. Yeah, okay. See, the vehicle's locked. They need to let people sit in the sucker if they want to sell it. That's all I've done. Pop the hood, bitches. And the CEO of Ford found out the hard way. You couldn't drive from LA to Las Vegas. They're laying people off for that because not selling them. This vehicle right here, price sticker, well, cool. About $100,000, give or take. I'm not buying that unless I'm just driving around town. I can't go to Chicago in that bad boy. Not a chance. Poor choices. And Ford has bastardized the Mustang. Shelby is rolling over in his grave. They bastardized the Mustang. Oh my word. Mitsubishi, they're pretty popularity. Nice color, but it's not going wintertime. Don't bother. Again, it's not getting out of your driveway in Minnesota. Not now, not ever. Again, they buy these in the summertime. First snowfall we get, real snow, they're crying, oh no! Unless you're living in California, I get it. Upper Midwest, no way. Another nice little vehicle, but not a winter vehicle, kids. Not a chance. Not a chance. I'm just gonna pimp you for this thing. Almost 40 grand. No. Not a chance. Not a chance. Prototype. Again, pop the hood, let people sit inside of it. I don't know what the big deal is. What are you gonna call the damn thing? I don't know. That's one ugly car. That's just, I don't know. It's a nice vehicle. That one's nice. Not overdone. Yep, they bastardized the Mustang. They bastardized the four-door Mustang. Shelby, Mr. Shelby, I apologize. I have a found down road tip. Oh, wow, there it is. My really kind of first official convertible I saw. Nice. Any room in there?
What?
Any room in there, you think, or not?
Room?
Yeah, is there room for you or not?
There's room, but it's alright.
They bastardized it. I want $63,000 for that pig. The GT. Yellow, the banana vehicle. Hell yeah. I don't know what the hell that thing is, but that's kind of, I don't know. A little show and tell, kind of cool. Look at that bad boy. Hell yeah. And they bastardized the Bronco. Totally bastardized it. If you're going to bring it back the right way. I kind of call it the baby Shamu. I don't know. Real man truck. We're going to finish this off with some real vehicles, some Corvettes. All right, let's do it, shall we? Before we go to the Corvettes, look at this bad boy. A couple of these trucks are kind of nice. This is nice. Heck yeah. That's a nice vehicle. Hell yeah. It's an okay vehicle. I like it. I like the paint job. So let's get on to the Corvette, shall we? We'll end this video. All right. Something more substantial. Yeah, this is my living in San Diego, Las Vegas vehicle, right? Not a problem. Sure. How much they want for that pig?
142.
Oh, that's not bad. 142? What the hell, huh? You can afford that. Chump. Corvette. What do you guys think, huh? Needs to be buffed out a little bit. A lot of fingerprints on it.
You don't want that one?
Both of these two.
that bad boy, huh? And we'll finish it off with this bad boy. What do you think, huh? 2024 preview of the Twin Cities Auto Show. I like that. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Come on down to Love Bucks Again when you go through a quick. So, anyways, guys, on the Auto Show, 30th day of March, 2024. Good job, guys.